Hello, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how I made this very delicious guacamole. If you've only ever had Mexican style guacamole, you're missing out on a huge world of flavor. Today I'll be showing you exactly how to make a Salvadorian guacamole. It is healthier, it's creamier, and it's packed with protein thanks to one secret ingredient, the hard boiled eggs in these. So we're going to be using some avocados, ripe ones. You want to use ripe avocados for this. I added celery just to give it a little bit of scent, and then I added some onions, and then I will use some lemon in that, and then the secret ingredient, the egg. I used some cayenne pepper to just give it a little bit of heat, and then I went in with some sea salt, a little bit of that. So we're going to start by cutting our avocado. You want to slice your avocado the way I'm slicing this to make it easy for you to take out the soft buttery parts out of it. You need to use a spoon to just scoop that out, and this was it after I finished scooping out the buttery part. And then we'll go in with our egg. This is the star of this show. We're just going to cut that into our avocado and just try to mash it. We don't want to really like mash it too much. We still want to leave some little bit of chunks of the egg, so it actually serves as a full on meal also. And this was it after I finished mashing everything together. And then next I'm just going to go in with my onions. I'm using red onions for this. If you have white onions, it's also perfect to use. The onions just gives it a crunch, and then you go in with your celery. That also gives it some snap. You can actually skip using celery if you don't want celery. And then we'll add some lemon juice to bring everything together. This also cuts through the richness of the egg yolks and keeps the avocado bright green. And then you just want to just add that half a lemon is okay. And then you want to add your pepper and then your salt. The pepper I added to just give it a little bit of heat, and the salt to just give it taste. You don't want to put too much salt in this, just a little bit to just give it that taste. And then we just mix everything together, one final mix to just bring everything together. And this was it after I was done mixing that. Just look at the texture. It is very very perfect. It looks perfect, and it's perfect on a salty cracker or biscuit. I ate this with this cracker. This cracker is for people that want to lose weight. It's so nice. It was so good on this guacamole. It was so nice, and I enjoyed eating this. This is how you make an authentic Salvadorian guacamole. Give this a try for your next lunch. You will go back to the normal guacamole. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. It really means a lot to me. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Share my video, like my videos, drop your comments, and I'll try my best to just answer all your comments in the comment section. Let me know if you'll be trying this, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.